Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change ChatGPT email address. So here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to change the email address associated with your ChatGPT account using the ChatGPT web app. The first thing you need to do is to launch your web browser and visit chatgpt.com. And once you're on the website, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. In there, enter your current email and password or use your linked Google/Microsoft account to log in. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this fantastic window where you can now explore a couple of options to have an exciting time on ChatGPT. Of course, once logged in, click on your profile icon or initials at the top right corner of the screen, and you're provided with a couple of options in the drop-down menu, including My GPTs, Customize ChatGPT Settings, Upgrade Plan, and Logout. So from here, go ahead and click on Settings. And once you click on Settings, that's going to walk you right into the Settings window where you can now make changes to your email, or you can make changes to your account, as so to speak. Now, once you click on settings, you click on settings options, it takes you over here where you have general, you have personalization, you have speech, you have data controls, you have builder profile, you have connected apps, you have security. And you see that there's pretty much no option that allows you to actually change the email of your ChatGPT account. So if you head over to builder profile, you see that the email is here, and for all of these, you can of course add them or change them, but you see the email cannot be changed. So, but if you want to still head over to change your ChatGPT email, you can just head over to contact them directly. Just let them know that, just let ChatGPT know directly you want your account, you want to change the email for your account. But as we speak at the moment, if you hover over the settings or you browse through all of the settings in the ChatGPT currently, there is no option that allows you to change your email. So you can just reach out to them and just let them know that you want your email to be changed. And that's pretty much the process. So you can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. There's something I also want you to know. Now, instead of changing your email on ChatGPT, it's pretty much easier for you to create another account using another email address on ChatGPT. And that's just pretty much it. So go back to from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.